In this short video, we'll be discussing object pronouns. Object pronouns are pronouns that can replace a noun, just like subject pronouns. They can be put in the object position of any clause, and they can also be used as an object of a preposition in a sentence. So here are some examples of object pronouns. The singular object pronouns: me, you, him, her, it, whom, and in plural object pronouns we use us, them, and also whom. So why are object pronouns important? In speaking, they have the same function as a subject pronoun. It allows us to refer back to a noun earlier in our conversation or in our talk without being repetitive. So, for example, we have A saying, I saw June yesterday and he was really upset. B says, why? I think he was dumped. Oh wow, yeah, okay, I don't blame him. So you see, June is the noun and him is the object pronoun that B uses to refer back to June. Let's take a look at an example in writing. This is a excerpt from the picture of Dorian Gray, and we can see object pronouns being used in these two short paragraphs. So we can see poets are not so scrupulous as you are. They know how useful passion is for publication. Nowadays, a broken heart will run to many editions. I hate them for it. So this is two different people talking, but the first person starts with the word poets, and then the second person is referring to poets with them. And you can see that them is in the object position of the sentence. We have subject, verb, object. If we read on a little bit more, an artist should create beautiful things, but should put nothing of his own life into them. So in this sentence, we have beautiful things as a noun, and then that's referred to again with them. So you can see plural object pronoun refers back to a plural noun. Plural object pronoun refers back to a plural noun. And that's a little bit about object pronouns.